Want to know how to create seeds in Kimi AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Kimi AI web browser, the website or the application itself. So, we have also created a video on how to download and log into Kimi, so make sure to watch all of that. Now, in order to create your seeds, it's super simple. It's simply like creating a slide and documents as well. So what you're going to do is on the left side, you should be seeing various side interfaces right here. And right below slides, you should be seeing something known as seeds. So you can just simply select that. So now what you can do is, here's, as you can see right here, Kimi AI also tells you that you can upload a spreadsheet to work with or just simply create it from scratch. So you can see various examples from this as well. So for now, we are creating it from a squads. So here you can just simply upload anything or just simply type in create me a simple spreadsheet. So once you have typed enter, here you should be saying your Kimi's computer should be executed and it should start creating seeds. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.